How fast she find the egg.
Yeah. Happy Easter. Easter of 2008. Very good. That's nice.
How fast is he? Ashley getting me. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ashley's so good.
Where's the egg?
No, the egg is right here.
What do you call that?
Easter eggs?
Yeah, egg?
Easter egg, huh? Daddy's not hiding very good, but you babies are so little.
Wow. Ashley getting all the
Uh-oh.
dress. Get up, baby. Uh-oh, very good. Get up. There.
That's
Woohoo.
fun, huh, Ashley?
Woohoo.
Daddy, I
Nikki
can't find
helping
my egg.
Ashley. Uh-oh. It's so cute.
Nikki. Nikki.
Where's the egg? Where's your basket? Get your basket.
She's only 16 months old.
Yeah. Nikki right now is 16 months old, while Ashley is 2.5 years old. Easter of 2008. Their first Easter together. Oh, where's the other eggs? Wow. So cute together. Wow.
Come on, baby. Ashley. Ashley. Come on.
It's a very sunny day. Very good. Wow. That's your eggs, Nick?
Nikki. This one over here.
Where's the other eggs? Ashley, there. Ashley.
That's
Oh,
not
no
an
more?
egg.
Come here, baby.
That's not an egg.
Oh, yeah. I thought it's eggs. Very good. Very good. Oh, you count them. You know how to count, right? Ashley, that's not egg. I thought also that's egg. Hi, Nikki. Chee, chee, chee.
Ashley, there's one over here.
Oh, wow. Ashley will get it. Very good, Nikki. Nikki. Oh, here. Here. Mm. Good egg. Get your eggs. That's your egg. Wow, Ashley got one again. Very good. Get you more. Mm. How about Nikki? Oh, Nikki, get your egg. Get your egg. Oh, get your egg.